G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today I've got some Beth Hart. This is a continuation of the last reaction videos I've just done. We did Big Mama Thornton and we did Janis Joplin. Now we've got Beth Hart. Go back and watch those two and then come back and watch this one. You'll get the progression. So this is another lady in blues, and Beth Hart's voice is amazing. Amazing. So let's just jump in, and this is going to be Caught Out in the Rain at the Bing Lounge. So cannot wait to see what she does. Cannot wait. Her voice is amazing. Amazing.
Thank you so much. Scotty, what should I do? Are you kidding? Okay. Let's see. If I mess this up a little bit, don't be surprised. Please, God, don't let me mess it up. Oh, man. I'm under your spell. And it ain't nobody's business. I'm already there, and it ain't nobody's business. Shine, shine. Every time he walks out the door, I wonder, is he ever coming back? But I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe. In the howl and the wind and the rough in his hands. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out in the rain. In the rain. I heard him crying in his sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him it's gonna be alright. But I know that he knows that I'm just a lion. I heard he shot a man down in the street, and he tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love with this broken man. I got caught out in the rain. In the rain. Ow, 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 no, 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 no. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care, I don't care. I'm in love, I'm in love. I got caught out, I got caught out in the rain, in the rain. Got up in his pain, got all of his shame. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure to play for you. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Keep it going, everyone. Beth Hart with us in the Bing Lounge. Oh my God. I don't cry that much at funerals. Jesus. That's beautiful stuff, please. Beth Hart in the lounge.
Wow. I told you, her voice is just amazing. Amazing. Just her and a piano, just all that raw emotion in her voice, and you can hear it. You know, that, not a sound from the crowd, and you just sit there and you watch and you just think, okay, tell me the story, and she can tell the story so good. Whew. I tell you what, it is a pleasure to watch, and a pleasure to react to. It is amazing. It is amazing. If you haven't seen Beth Hart before, go check her out. Check out the playlist. I do have a Beth Hart playlist. Even if you don't watch it on my channel, go and watch it. Do yourself a favor and go and watch some. She's amazing. Amazing singer. Amazing. So, but anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. As I said, go back and watch Big Mama Thornton, Janis Joplin, and then watch some Beth Hart, and it is amazing. It is amazing. Women of Blues, their voices are unique, special, amazing, all those adjectives that you want to add to it. It's just a pleasure to be able to watch and to listen to. Amazing. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked it. Big thumbs up if you did. Remember, as I said, go watch those other episodes. Check them out. Check out more of their work too. You cannot go wrong. But anyway, that's it for me. Hopefully I'll see you in the comment section. Big thumbs up, guys, and I will see you in the next reaction video.